Okay, so we have some exciting things that we're working on here, and most of that has to do with prop firms and trading futures. So as you've seen most of my videos so far, yes, it has been about NQ, futures, securities, and that is pretty much everything I trade. I trade a little ES every now and then when it's time, sometimes SPX, but we are focused on NQ because that has basically just in about any market condition you can think of. Chop markets, trend markets, it's all going to be profitable action. So we're looking for the best opportunities to trade, and NQ provides that for us. Basically, we're going to talk about the evaluations and the combines that we're going to be trying to work on for the following series of videos. Topstep, Apex, and Takeprofit Trader. These are the ones that we're going to be working on and focusing on because I think they have the best reward for passing them and getting funded. So with Topstep evaluations, the steps are really easy. You got one step. Get to profit target. The parameters inside of that, basically you have to reach 3,000, that's your profit target, and you can't have a day greater than 50% of your total profits to get to that point. And they have a really nice layout for you to calculate all of that. They have a coach where you can set personal daily loss limits. You can also set total number of trades in a day, maximum number of trades basically, if you want to keep your trade count minimal. And you can also have your own max loss streak before they will stop you from trading for the day. If you're not having a good day and you have a set number of losses in a row, they'll help you stop for the day and keep you on track for performance. Another thing that Topstep does is as you are trading, your max position size is minimal until you grow that account. So as you get larger in the total balance of the account, the actual amount of contracts you can trade rises. And that is really, really good, especially for people that like to put on risk. So it limits your risk. It allows you to trade your system at lower risk parameters and work your way up to where you can tolerate higher risk. It's very important, especially when you're trading things like NQ. I mean, that is, oh man, that is the most volatile futures you can trade, in my opinion. So another thing is once you do get past, it will take a little bit of time for Topstep to get your Express account going, but nonetheless, it is still a good system. You can start trading, and I think the funded price, according to some of my other colleagues that are trading these combines, is somewhere between 150 and 60 for the Trade of 8 one. We'll find out when the time comes how much that really is when we pass it, but for now, we're just going to focus on our system to get there, get past, to get funded, and then we can work on consistency and the discipline that it takes to get to a payout. That is something we're doing with Topstep. With Apex, Apex is a great, in my opinion, a great opportunity, especially with their 90% off sales, their half price off resets, which, you know, gonna be honest, I don't actually do any of the resets. What I do is if I fail a eval, I just cancel that subscription and buy another one, a whole lot cheaper, and you just start over. You have to start over anyway with reset, so why not just pay less, buy another one. That's all I'm gonna say on that. However, with Apex, you can trade up to 20 performance accounts at a time. So if you are a consistent trader and you can get to payout, then you should consider. The next one, pretty difficult in my opinion. I love Takeprofit. I like their model. I like their morale, and they do a great job. The one thing they could probably work on is pricing, but that's not really what they're focused on. They're focused on the people who do get funded. They can get paid on the first day, period. Bottom line, you make money, you can pull it out. They promote that from day one of coming out, and they're currently doing a sale for 50% off. And when you pass that account, you get a free pro account for free. So when you pass that account, you get one fully funded free account on them. And that is, you know, you really can't beat that, honestly. So if you go and you get yourself a 150K eval and you pass that, you're going to get another 150K passed immediately for free. So something to consider. All of these links, if you'd like to go and try these, I have links in the description for you to check out. And go there now and get your own eval. It's going to be worth your time. All of this is going to end soon, so do not hesitate. Get going with it. It's going to be worth your time. So with Apex, right now they currently have 71% off all evaluation and half price resets. Resets are typically $100, so half price they're going to be $50 per reset. So for a 50K account, basically you are paying $187 a month minus 71%. Total cost is $54 plus 8.25%. So almost $60 for a 50K account. That's not their best pricing, because usually for 90% off, that is with tax $20. That's usually what I like to wait for. You're basically, at this point in time, a reset would actually be cheaper if you already have a subscription with them. I would honestly pay for the reset. You're going to save $4 in this instance, but if you want to get like a larger account, might actually be saving some money going with the 71%. Topstep, if you've been on the YouTube channel, Topstep TV, they've been doing live streams. And they came out with a Veterans Day promotion where you could buy a 50K account for $11. I took advantage of that. Credit to all our veterans out there. I have some veterans friends that are traders, and they were friendly enough to share that code with me, and we're going to give that a shot this week. I look forward to showing you more about everything that happens with these evals, and we'll see where we go with that. I have a bunch of playlists on 23 Capital Trades channel that we're going to be documenting all of this on. Go there. We're going to be posting daily updates on these. We're going to show the progress. We're going to show the ups, the downs. We're going to make sure that every detail is covered on these, pros and the cons of each different prop firm evaluation type, the parameters, things we like, things we don't like. Hope you stick around. I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, this is Bullishbear, 23 Capital Trades. Peace out.